Hello, this is a tutorial on G67 2.4a1. So G67 2.4a1. We're going to be dividing negative fractions here, but in order to do that, we have to know what a reciprocal is. A reciprocal is just going to be the opposite of this. So this would be 5 over 4. We just flip it. And the reason for that is so that when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal or its multiplicative inverse, you're going to get 1. 5 times 4 then is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. So this one here would be 12 sevenths would be the inverse. This one here is really negative 20 over 1. So in order to get to 1, you're going to have to multiply that by 1 over 20. Now, if you just multiplied that, you would have negative 1. So you have to make this a negative 1 over 20, so you have a negative times a negative to get to that positive 1. Same way here. Let's make it into an improper fraction first. 5 times 8 is 40, so this is 43/8. It's negative. So when you flip it, it'll be 8/43, and you're going to have to make that a negative 2, so that when you multiply them, you'll get to a positive 1. All right, so find each quotient here. We'll just do the keep, change, flip, and we are just going to do problems 5 through 13. No, 5 through, let's look at this, 5 through 16, because those are the ones that focus on negative fractions. So I'm going to do a couple of the negative fraction ones here. They're down towards the bottom here. Here's one right here. So we're just going to do negative 4/5. So we're going to keep this. We're going to change the sign, then we're just going to flip this to 6/5. Look diagonally, you can't do anything there. You can't, no common factors between 4 and 5 or 5 and 6, so just multiply straight across. You get 24 25th. You've got a negative times a positive, so it's a negative 24 25ths. Let's do another one here. This one here, we have 13/18. So 13/18. That's negative. So we keep that. We change the sign, and then we're going to flip this guy into 9/8, and that's also negative. So again, we're going to have a negative times a negative. We're going to have a positive answer. But we can do some cross-reducing here. We divide by 9 here, which is 2, and divide by 9 here, which is 1. We can't do anything with 13 and 8. So multiply across. 13 times 1 is 13. 2 times 8 is 16. Then it's positive again because these are both negatives. And you can't reduce it. 13/16 is your answer there. All right. Don't forget, this is just like 10 over 1. So you can go ahead and work on those ones there. All right. Good luck.